Hi everyone, I've tried recording this video a few times. It is too long. So I'm going to try to shorten it this time. I can do it. So today, the Thrive bundle launches, and you guys have probably seen a slew of emails and social media posts because a lot of plant-based authors and contributors are in this bundle. And I'm doing this video for two reasons. I want to tell you why I'm in it this year, because I don't do a lot of bundles, and give you a little sneak peek of what's in there. So when I was approached to do this bundle back in the winter, they start taking contributors, I think, up to a year in advance. They go through quite a detailed application process for the content. And I was impressed with how much they vetted the content for this bundle. And that's why I'm in this one. I think it's going to give you a lot of high quality content. And, I want to sort of strike a balance of how much I sell to you and how much I offer valuable content for free. And this is one that I felt was worthy to promote, because I don't want to promote too much to you. I want to have, again, that, give you a lot of free content as well. So I feel like this is a very valuable one. And now to give you a little sneak peek. So when you buy the bundle, there's a ton in here. Of course, there's always cookbooks, meal plans, courses, workout routines. What's kind of interesting, there's the whole plants and gardening section in this bundle this year, and offers things for you to, hone your gardening skills or try not to kill plants like me. The value of the bundle is over $4,500 and it's $48. So that's your cost, pretty big savings. Big names in the plant-based world in this bundle, of course, Carly and Tony and Michelle. A lot of you already know them. Plant You at Vegan, Plant-Based on a Budget. And they, co-organize this. This is their baby, the Thrive bundle, and they have content in here. So many other content contributors and people that you would know in the plant-based world. We have a nice vegan Mexican ebook here. My Fascia Flow course is in here, and it is a brand new course. It is more than the cost of the bundle if you were to buy it online, and it bridges you in as a beginner, takes you right through. It's brand new. It's not the same course that was offered before. So, and I also have two ebooks in this bundle. And so I'm just scrolling through so you can get a little look. Pressed Flora ebook. There are two pizza ebooks in this one, and it's, again, a different pizza ebook than I've mentioned before in the last bundle. The Great Pumpkin ebook by Jackie of Vegan Yak Attack. That's kind of fun. The garbage truck is coming, so that's my cue to wrap it up. There's a lot. I'm just going to scroll through. There's one that I want to show you, though. Coming down here. I'm going to keep finding it. Get there before the garbage can comes. How not to kill your plant. That's for me. I have to look into that one, but that's not the one. Here it is here. Fingertip facelift routine. I actually checked out this. It's a little 10-minute video. I thought it was pretty fabulous. It brings circulation to the face, helps to tone the face, works with lymphatic drainage. I kind of think a little video like that is worth the price of the bundle if you're going to use it over and over. It's the kind of thing you can use every day, 10 minutes. Done. So have a look, see the content in there, and I think you're going to get some gems, some real gems. So if you have any questions, reach out. And the bundle's only available for a few days, and then it's not available again until next year. So I hope you like this one. I feel it's of value to you. And again, reach out if you have any questions. I'll try to answer. Okay, we'll see you soon.